Changing your password on Expedia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Visit the Expedia website. Go to the official Expedia website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you're on the correct site to ensure your account security. Step 2. Sign into your account. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 3. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for your profile icon or name, usually found in the upper right corner, and click on it. Select Account Settings or Profile from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Change your password. In the account settings, find the option for changing your password. You will typically need to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new password, click on the Save or Update button to confirm the change. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. Now you have successfully changed your password on Expedia. Make sure to remember your new password for future logins.